In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Is my hair okay? It looks great. Is my makeup fine? Perfect.
Girls, you're on.
Oh, sorry. Hi, my name is Moira Anslack. And my name is Alexa Tanwan. Sorry, we have an interruption. I think it's our friend Mr. Gummy Bear with his new hit called I Am a Gummy Bear. Ow, what was that for? You said hit. Haha, great joke.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear.
No.
I'm a jelly bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving.
Alright, that's kind of enough of that. Yeah. Anyways, now we are going to... Hello? Alright, we'll put you on in a couple minutes. Our friends are going to show how to make taffy. Alright, we'll put them on in a second. More interruptions. I know. Hi, I'm Zoe. Hi, I'm Kelly. And we are professional candy makers. Today we're going to teach you how to make taffy. You need 2 cups of molasses, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, optional. Now it's time to start cooking. First, you need a saucepan 4 to 5 inches high. And then you need to pour in the molasses. Make sure you scrape it so you get all of the molasses into the pan. And you get the same amount that was inside the bowl. Next for cooking, you need to add brown sugar. And then you need to add the butter. And it's very important to add the water. But be careful. You might spill it. She's very right. I already did it once. And then add the vinegar. Keep stirring until the sugar crystals are dissolved. Continue to cook to 260 Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, or if you don't have one, until a small bit dropped in cold water forms a firm ball. You will need to grease an 8x8 pan. Don't forget to get all the sides and bottom. Have patience. It takes a long time. And so it's okay if it bubbles. Always have a parent on your side to help. And also, keep stirring so you don't burn the bottom. Once it's 260 degrees, put in the baking soda. Now vanilla. Pour the mixture into the 8x8 pan. Let it sit until it cools. Now that the taffy is cool, we can pull it. Before you pull, make sure you put grease or butter on your hands. We're using grease. Now I just take it out of the pan. Keep pulling until it gets light color. After you're done stretching it out, flatten it out with the palm of your hand. After that, cut it with food scissors into small strips. That's how you make taffy. Let's go give some to Alexa and Moira. Good idea! Thanks for watching! Well, we would like to make some special thanks to my brother, Jack Tamron. Woo! He can say his speech. Yeah, he did all the green screen work and everything. So all the editing. So you can just talk to the camera.
Thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to let me edit your video, and I enjoyed working with you guys.
All right, thanks.
All right, peace.
And we want to do a special thanks to all the moms that help, which is my mom and her mom. Yep. And so they deserve a candy war or a candy shower, don't you think? Yeah. They're like our classmates. Woo! Hi, wait, shut it off. I'll show you how to make taffy. This is what you need. You need 2 cups of molasses, 1 cup. Next for your cooking, you need to add the brown sugar. I just pour it in. Okay, start over. Try just pour it in. Like dump it. Grease an 8x8 pan. Make sure to 8 pan with what do you need to make sure they help you. And make sure you stir it really good so you don't burn. Wait, start it all over.
Wait.
Jack, after you're done stretching.
I was saying it, nodding my head.
Thank you. Wow, some people. Start it over. Thank you, Zoe and Kelly, for that wonderful taffy. It was so good. Well, those candy interruptions wasted our time. So we'll see you next time on Channel 6 News. Have a candyful day.
Oh! Ow! 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 My hand! Ow!
Yeah, so we'll make a weird face right now. 1, 2, 3.